Error codes P0383 and P0384 both indicate a fault detected by the engine control module in the glow plug control module circuit. Specifically, code P0383 is triggered when the ECM reads a circuit voltage that is more than 10% lower than the manufacturer's specification, while code P0384 is set when the detected voltage is more than 10% higher than the recommended level. Here are two of the most practical solutions to fix these error codes. Method A, testing the glow plugs. Glow plugs are used in diesel engines to help heat the fuel in preparation for the combustion chamber when the engine is cold, and they are located on top of the cylinders. To test them, first carefully remove the glow plugs from the engine. Then, use a multimeter to check each one's resistance. When you read the result on the multimeter display, note that a resistance of less than 6 ohms usually indicates a good glow plug. Repeat this procedure for the remaining glow plugs until they have all been tested. If any of the glow plugs fail this test, it is recommended that the entire set be replaced. Method B, the glow plug control module. The glow plug control module is located on the engine and has a direct connection to the engine control unit. First, carefully remove the glow plug control module from the vehicle. Then, visually inspect the module to ensure it has not been contaminated by a leak from another engine component. Check the glow plug control module itself and its electrical connections for any damage. If damage is found, replace the glow plug control module. Replacing your glow plugs or glow plug control module is a straightforward project that is recommended every 60,000 miles or 95,000 kilometers. These are two of the most practical solutions to fix these error codes. After the repair, you can now use the Zeus app to clear the error code. And tap the rescan button one more time to make sure everything is fine with your vehicle.